You are ready to study Most Common Words List 5. Remember, most common words occur frequently in reading. As you learn more most common words, your reading fluency will improve. I will say a most common word. Select the word you hear before the timer runs out. If you need to hear the word again, click the replay button. Wood, wood. Make, make. Look, look, look. More, more. Time, time. Her, her. Has, has. Go, go. See, see. Right, right. Like, like. Some, some. Him, him. Two, two. Into, into. Read these words. Click on any of the words you want to hear pronounced. Practice saying the word and compare your pronunciation with mine. Click the next button when you're finished. Some, him, him. Two, two. Her, her. Into, into. More, more. Wood, wood. Time, time. Right, right. Make, make. Has, has. Go, go. Like, like. Look, look. See, see. These activities will help you spell, read, and quickly recognize most common words from List 5. You can do as many of these activities as you want, but to complete this lesson, you need to complete at least one activity from each section: spelling, reading, and rapid recognition. In this activity, you will see a group of letters. Slide within the group of letters to find the most common word. In this activity, you will see a group of letters. Then you will hear a most common word. Slide within the group of letters to find the most common word. The most common words that you will need to find are listed on the top of the screen. Click the next button when you're finished. Find the word. Some, some. Correct. Find the word. Make, make. You did it! Find the word. Him, him. Right. Find the word. Look, look. You got it. Find the word. Into, into. You did it! Find the word go. Go. Great job. Find the word has. Has. You got it. Find the word see. See. Nice. Find the word time. Time. Great. Find the word more. More. Correct. Find the word right. Right. Nice job. Find the word would. Would. That's right. Find the word like. Like. Well done. Find the word two. Two. Nice. Find the word her. Her. Great. In this activity, you will see some sentences that have most common words from this list. Read each sentence and click on as many of the most common words that you can find. In this activity, you will see some sentences that have most common words from this list. Read each sentence and click on as many of the most common words that you can find. You can click on the speaker button to hear the sentence read aloud. The most common words from this list are shown at the top of the screen. Click on the next button only if you cannot find all of the words. Click on the most common words in these sentences. Sue will write to her friend Ken. She has some time to write a letter at 2 o'clock today. She would like to send him a gift box, too. She will make some cookies to go into the box. Sue will look for a card. It will go into the box. She will see if she can make more cookies. They will go into the box. Ken and Sue like to write and make gifts. The two of them like to take time to send letters. When she has some more time, Sue would like to go see Ken. She would like to see him. He would like to see her. Great job! In this activity, you will see all of the most common words from this list. Then you will also hear a most common word. Click on the word you hear as fast as you can. In this activity, you will see all of the most common words from this list. Then you will also hear a most common word. Click on the word you hear as fast as you can. Click the next button when you're ready to start. Like. Like. You got it. Time. Time. Great. See. See. Great job. Into. Into. Well done. Her. Her. You did it. Two. Two. Nice work. More. More. Right. Has. Has. You got it. Some. Some. Great. Right. Right. Very good. Go. Go. Great job. Look. Look. That's right. Him. Him. You did it. Make. Make. You did it. Would. Would. Right. You have completed all the required activities. Great work! You completed this lesson at the mastery level. You are ready to move on. Remember, because most common words do not usually follow phonetic skills, they are not marked. Instead, they are underlined, like this. Let's move on.